Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by choosing the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, click on Display section, and tap on Advanced. Then click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate feature to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!